everybody, and I'm excited to share with you guys today a crazy find that I found. Well, I discovered only, but the thing that I got right now is not, I didn't buy it for myself. I bought, my uncle bought this for me. I sent this to him, a link of this before, and I didn't really know if he was gonna get, because I had sent a few items to him, because what I'm sending to other people, if they're asking me what I like for Christmas or for my birthday, like that, I do send the things that I really am testing or I want to test out to you guys. I love luxury dupes, and I like to find dupes for a lot of the luxury brands, and but not like they're exactly copying it, but yeah, a bit, okay? So I really like those because they're helpful, it's affordable, and it's not real leather, so I'm happy with that. Less harm to animals. So yeah, this one is a bag I really love. It's something, for me, it's an amazing thing. And I did buy already like this in a shop in Shopee, because I have some coins and I was able to chip in and save up a bit more, a big amount, because I had my Shopee coins. Now, this one went on a huge sale in Lazada. It's cheaper than in Shopee, and honestly, I really wanted to recommend to you guys because it's stunning. I haven't opened it yet, and honestly, I don't know yet what the color is, so I'm actually excited to you guys. I don't know if this is the same shop as the one in Shopee, because there's sometimes Shopee sellers are also in Lazada. So I'm excited to share with you guys. First off, the one I got in Shopee is this. You already saw this in one of my videos, or some of my videos, because I love this bag. It's this one. This is the Kelly inspired bag. It's an Hermes Kelly inspired bag, and it's stunning. It doesn't have the Hermes logo. It doesn't have that whole, and it has that color gold. The gold is specific and has gold hardware, but lighter gold hardware. So it doesn't really look cheap. It is beautiful, and it has that much, that's the amount. And the difference between this, the Kelly of this one doesn't have a zipper pocket, but it has one pocket here. Oh, and it has what the lipstick I'm using that day, and a face mask inside. So yeah, this is the bag, and it's really stunning. I love it. It's so cute. It's on the small side, but it packs a bunch. I mean, it's a lot. Look at how big it is, and it's structured and it has 4 feet, just like a normal Kelly. But the straps, I think you'll be able to define the difference between the straps. It has an adjustable there as well, but aside from that, it's different from the quality of the real Hermes Kelly. But yes, I love this bag. It's stunning, it's adorable, and it's affordable. I'll send the link. I'll link this one below, the one in Shopee, because it might be on sale again. But for now, I was so happy to get this in that perfect, beautiful neutral color, because it matches a lot of my outfits. So yeah. So now you've seen this, we're excited to see what's in this bag. Now, it came in a box. No, the box is here. Just a moment. It came in this one, but I already took it out because I was shocked what was in it. Because my uncle contacted me, and then he said that he's gonna deliver something, and where am I? And I said I was in office, and then yeah, he sent it to me. It has this one included. I think this is like a sanitizer or something. But yeah, this is the bag, and I'm so excited to open it. So it comes with this. It's super well packed. I mean, it was safely packed, so it was great. For the shop is great. And yeah. So looking at it now, I'm still not sure what the color is, but it's peeking already. So this is weird because I have one in a mini, okay, and it was gifted as well. So this is the bag. Oh my gosh, like, it's such a cute pink Kelly. Oh, it's so adorable. Now, honestly, I really wanted to share it with you guys as soon as possible, because while it's still on sale in Lazada, I think it's on Lazada for like 700, and that's a cheap price already for this one, this type of bag. And it's so cute, and it comes in pink. I mean, seriously, that's adorable. I love it. It's adorable. It's cute. It's the same. It has that light colored hardware. It has the long straps. And then it has the same opening here. And it has stuffing, which means the quality, I'm having a tug of war with my cat. Hello, baby. Wait. So this is the strap. So it's still good quality strap as well. It's the same quality as the pink, as the brown gold bag. So yeah, it's really nice. It's like a pale or baby pink, and I actually like it like this because it's so easy and versatile to pair it up with. Now I have a bigger, more everyday pink bag. That's a Kelly inspired dupe. That's bigger than the mini Kelly that I had. That's a dupe as well. So here it is. It's adorable, it's cute, and it's big, and I'm sure I'm gonna fit a lot in it. So it's just deformed here but a bit. But honestly, for that, I'd have no problem because it's not deformed at the front and at the back. So it's no problem to me, and it's stunning. So this price, I will link it down below as well. I hope, yeah. Well, honestly, you guys, I'm excited to share with you a lot more of dupes, designer dupes that I could find and share to you guys that are more affordable, whether it's Shopee or Lazada, because I finally realized that there are a lot of things that you can find in Lazada and in Shopee that are more affordable, and they're not real leather, or they're bio leather, which is really helpful. So yeah, I hope you like this small short video, and if you like, please like it down below. Tell me and comment down below if you want other videos or other type of bags that you want me to try to find. Maybe I'll find them and I'll share them to you guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit the bell button, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye! See ya. Oh, one treat. Come here, baby. Ta-da! This is my baby cat. Now the others are outside, the four. But this one is right here right now because he's still recovering. He's purring.